Okay, I think I have everything ready. It's yet another chicken dish, but that's okay, right? Yeah, we all eat chicken, I think. Um, I don't have chicken stock or broth, so I do use this here and there. And yet the chicken in this dish, it's called Greek chicken, smells so good. You know, like a roast or a turkey. You come home or you come in the room in the house and yummo, it smells really, really good. Well, this dish, this Greek chicken dish is just like that, okay? So I'm gonna take a little hunk of it and put it in some warm water and use this thing here, my little faithful tool. Get that going. You use whatever you like. I don't like the canned and I don't like the cartons of it. I'd actually rather have a bouillon cube than those because they taste like the can to me. So let me put that aside. Did you know, and you may know, that I have two 100% Greek friends, and my old friend Pete, who I'm still friends with, he first had a chicken noodle soup and he had lemon in it. I'm like, lemon? Okay, I love lemon. I love chicken soup together. I was very surprised that the Greeks use lemon in their chicken dishes, and this does have a little lemon in it. So there's that. I had, oh, these are still frozen, but this is everyday cooking, right? So I had sealed up 2 chicken breasts, CH. Can you tell I worked in a restaurant a lot of years? CH is for chicken. That's good enough for me. So I'm going to open these. And I know they're frozen, but guess what? I don't care. Because again, that's kind of like life, right? I have these double wrapped up. Am I going to cook them straight from being frozen? You betcha I am. Okay, let me see if I can get them apart because that's always a little tricky. Yeah, these are really big. I'm going to cut them in 2. Only because I'm also going to add, for the flavor and the stock, a couple chicken legs. They have the bone. Boy, there's flavor done in that bone. Don't underestimate how that comes out. And also see the skin? Again, don't even eat them if you don't like them. Actually, dark meat is my favorite. So this is really frozen, but I'm going to cut these puppies in 2. Okay. You probably can't see that off camera, but I'm sure you've cut chicken before, so there's that. Okay, I'm going to put these buggers in, and I'm going to cut this one also. Okay. Again, Greek chicken. We're also going to use, I grow Greek oregano. I don't know what the difference is. I really don't. But I just really like the way it grows in abundance in my little garden. I buy it from the garden center and then just keep it going in a pot. So here's chicken. Oh, there's not going to be any room for this. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to save this one out and use it maybe for chicken salad or something, because I want to put these legs in. So let's get these little leggies in here. Yes, I rinsed off the chicken before I packaged it, and I rinsed these off now, okay? So chicken, ew. This is a fast dish today. I have fresh garlic, but today I'm gonna use this garlic, okay? I like this stuff in olive oil, and there's a lot of garlic in it. Now I'm gonna swirl that around in the broth. So I might as well get that in there now, right? Let me get that going. This is gonna cook right in and make such a nice broth. A little bit more, but that much, that deep. Next, you say potato and I say potato. I just watched that movie yesterday. It's called Shall We Dance? Fred and Ginger, of course. And I sang along to it while I was putting up my tomatoes. I have the TV on like in the other room, and I don't care. I've seen that movie so many times, I kind of know what's going on in each scene. So again, I love these little potatoes. They're like little baby Yukon Golds. So how many for 2 people? That one doesn't look good. You're out of here. And these ones have like, look, a couple of them have little eyes. Ask me if I care. I just bump them right off if they're not too bad. They're fine. So, okay, that's in there. Let's get some lemon. I'm gonna cut me a lemon. I'm not gonna use the zest this time. I'm just gonna use the juice, okay? So I'm gonna get that in like so and get it in the broth around the horn. And I do want the other part of the lemon. Okay, get that in there. Notice I'm not really putting it on the chicken. Oh, I forgot something. Something important. BRB. I hope this is open. Yes, it's opened. I need some olive oil. And for that, I am going to put it right on the chicken. It does help with the flavor, but it also helps with that broth. And then last, I do have a little bit left in my garden, but it doesn't look good. The Greek oregano or regular oregano like this. Do I like the more expensive brands? Do I love Penzeys? Yes, I do. Do I love Aldi? Yes, I do. So this is kind of a generous amount on here. And at first, when I first saw this, because this was a recipe, this is one I didn't make up. What do you know? Okay, when I first saw it, I thought, that's a lot of oregano. But it goes into the sauce and it just flavors it so nice. So this is Greek chicken. And already I'm smelling the lemon with the oregano. If you wanted to put carrots in there, yeah, sure, go ahead. But I like my carrots roasted on the side on an extra sheet pan. I'm going to cover this tightly with foil, about maybe a 375 oven, 350, depends on your oven. And I don't know for how long, but I would imagine 45, 50 minutes, maybe even a little longer. I'll tell you when your chicken's done, but not overdone, okay? So, okay, there you go. I'm going to turn this off and get it in the oven.